What's the meaning of Bermuda Triangle? Bermuda Triangle. Bermuda Triangle.
Bermuda Triangle. Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where numerous airplanes and ships have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. The boundary of the triangle forms a roughly equilateral triangle, with its three vertices in Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. The area has been the subject of much speculation and folklore, with some attributing the disappearances to paranormal or extraterrestrial activity. However, most experts believe that the disappearances can be explained by natural phenomena such as human error, piracy, bad weather, and underwater geological features. Despite the numerous disappearances, the Bermuda Triangle continues to be a popular destination for tourists and explorers alike.